Hi, this is Edie with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making a fun dessert and it is called Cherries in the Snow Cake. Now just the name alone is fun and I'm sure the kids will have a great time making it too. And of course we're using minimal ingredients. So with the holidays around the corner, it's the perfect festive dessert to make and it represents so pretty when it's done. The recipe will be in the description below. And if you have thoughts and comments, please do share them with us. I would love to hear it. Before we begin, do us the hugest of favors. Smoochies, the like button. Smoochies, I said smoochies. Click that notification bell and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to cook.